This is so crazy, you have to hear me out. I used to think online income was a scam up until I saw real life results. Look at this. This is Nicola Cronje. She's made over $13,000 online, which is over 233,000 South African rands in only 5 months. Now look at this. She's part of the same community that I'm a part of. It's for over 54,000 members, and I took these results straight out of the community. Now, she's been using the same step-by-step proven to work blueprint that I've been following. Hi there, my name is Errol. I'm 33 years old, just an ordinary dad. I'm nobody special. And I started because I was broke, I was stressed out, I was overworked, and I was exhausted. I needed to change my life and my family's life. Fast forward, this very same step-by-step blueprint assisted me in building an online business of over 6 figures, my friend, from the comfort of my own home. It taught me how to work 2 hours a day, get all my income earning activities done in 2 hours a day. It helped me set up a fully automated system that continues to make me money while I'm living life. It showed me how to not chase after people, but to get my ideal customer contacting me. It's called attraction marketing. It shows me so many things, my friend, how to change other people's lives, other people's financial future. And if you want to know more, and if this is of interest to you, number one, give this video a like. And number two, put yes in the comments for more information.